free best AI for task organization, and all of this. It also give you the duration. It will also give you the views that it has got so far. It will give you. Ever wished you didn't have to jump between 5 different tabs to get your work done? One tab for writing, one for design, one for spreadsheet, and so on. But what if one tool could do all of this in just one window? Welcome to day 200 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Yes, it's 200 day of our crazy 1000 days of no code challenge. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritesh Hegde on this journey of 1000 days of no code challenge. I am sharing one video each day which could enhance your productivity with your day-to-day activities without writing a single line of code. And right now, we are in the third phase of this journey, which is 100 days of AI series, where I explored one AI tool each day and share it with you. Enough of all that, let's get into today's tool. Meet GenSpark AI, an all-in-one tool that brings writing, designing, spreadsheet, and everything together in one tool, all powered by AI. So let's break it down and see how it works in real examples. So to begin, head over to genspark.ai, and as you can see, it looks much similar to our ChatGPT screen, and it automatically opens this particular thing which asks us to sign up. It's free, or sign up with Google. I'll use Google. Okay, and then it gives me all the option of Google, Microsoft, and all of that. Let me use the account and click on continue, and there you go. We are back. It gives us a YouTube video to learn how this platform works. Let me close that, right? And we have the super agent, which is where we can ask it to do any task. We have AI slide, which is meant for creating slides. We have AI sheets, which is meant to create sheets. We have AI chats, which is like ChatGPT, but again, it has all the models like GPT 4.0, Core 3, O4, Mini High, Claude, Gemini, DeepSync, everything with it, right? And then you have all agents where you can ask it to do certain tasks. You also have AI Drive, which is where all the files will be stored. Okay, so I'll click on this and I'll click on agree. I'll show you where this can be used and why. This is about me. Okay, so if we have any history or anything, that will be stored in this particular section. Let's go back to AI slides. And so let's try it with one example, which is create a 5-slide pitch deck for a startup that sells sustainable shoes. Okay, I'll click on enter. So it will take about a minute or two, and then it will generate the slides that we are looking for. Let's see what is the output that we get. So it will think through for each of the slides, right? And then it will write code, which we can preview here once it is ready. As we can see, it is right now working on page number 1. And once that's ready, we can actually preview that over here, right? You can see that the page is actually getting created. And it started working on the second page. Okay, the name also, it has suggested Eco Step, revolutionizing footwear with 100% sustainable materials, one step at a time, 100% recycled, carbon neutral, and ethically made. Investor pitch deck 2024. Of course, we can make some changes once it is ready. Let's see how the second page looks like. I'm happy with the first page actually. It looks neat, clean, and minimally written. So let's see how the second page looks like, right? The problem. Traditional footwear is destroying our planet. Okay, and it has also given us some numbers over here, market opportunity and environmental impact, waste crisis, growing demand, right? So all of this very crisp, clear to the point, right? It's creating third page right now. As we could see here, it was actually thinking for a while and then started writing code to show us the slides. And there you go. It's all ready. Let's see each of these pages, right? So this is the first step, which we already saw. Second step, which we walked through. Third page, our solution. revolutionary sustainable footwear that doesn't compromise on style or performance, right? And again, we are talking about its qualities, some materials that we are using, right? And some numbers. Then business model, right? It says what are the revenue streams and what is the unit economics, target market, go-to-market strategy and all of that, right? Finally, join the revolution. Seeking investment 2 million Series A funding, projected growth 8.2 million, revenue Y3, right? 45% gross margin and 75k units by Y3. Again, all of these numbers, all the details could be just dummy. We'll have to edit it. But as we can see, the slides look minimalistic, colorful, and number oriented. And I like it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. So we can also fact check the content. It will check all the facts and give us the details. I'll not get into that because we have more to cover. We can also select from here to edit the slides, and of course we can view and export from here. Let's move on. Next, let's head over to AI sheets. What's interesting about AI sheets is, unlike other spreadsheets where we have to enter the data and we can create maps and stuff like that, we can use AI sheets to fetch information from Google and autofill in the sheet. So the prompt that I'm going to add here is search for Rich7HQ YouTube channel and get the latest 10 video details into the table, right? So what it does is it actually searches for our YouTube channel, gets those videos and puts it in a table. Let's see if it works. And meanwhile, I'll open our YouTube channel. And for those of you who have still not subscribed for our channel, please do, because we'll keep sharing such informative videos every single day. It's still fetching. The last one was AI Studio, which was released 22 hours ago. And then we have I tested 2 AI tools, right? That is Doric and code design comparison. Yeah, it is here, right? So this is 22 hours ago, this is 1 day ago, this is 2 days ago, and this is 3 days ago, and so on and so forth. Let's see what it fetches. It's still getting the data. Let's see. Of course, when you watch this video, you might not be able to see the latest send because this video is being shot a few days before. Now this is crazy, right? So it is actually fetching all the information that we may need with regards to a particular video. So you can see that I explored Google's real-time AI studio. It's incredible. This AI builds your entire database from just text, free best AI for task organization, and all of this. It also give you the duration. It will also give you the views that it has got so far. It will give you the updated date, right? Like 20. Okay, let it happen. So you can see that it has got us the last 10 videos, right? So 22 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, and so on and so forth until 9 days ago, along with the YouTube link and the description, right? So this was 188 day, 187, 186, 185, 184, 183, all the way until 179. Not just that, of course, if you open this, it will open. And that's the power of AI sheets in GenSpark. Of course, it has AI chat. This would mostly be much similar to ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek or whatever it is, based on whatever we use. The output will be similar, but the view might be entirely different, right? AI Drive, I'll show you what is the power of this. Let me go to Super Agent for that. And I'll say, can you please download 5 images of cats playing with ducks, right? So what it will actually do is it will Google find the images which matches the search that we have given, and it will download it into this AI drive that we saw to begin with. So you don't have to manually search them and download it and all of that. AI will do it for you. You can see that it has got it done. And if you go to AI Drive, you will see a folder called Cats and Dogs Playing. Go inside and you can see all of these images. Let me open this up. You see, I can move on to the next one. There you go. It will also show you the status on the right side. And that's the power of Super Agent, right? Which will save you the images in Drive. There are a lot more things. Like in all agents, you can see we have Call for Me, which is meant for booking some hotels and so on and so forth. You have Deep Research. This is what we used, Download for Me, right? And then we have Fact Check, which we saw in the AI slides, but we didn't experiment it. You see the AI chat has all of this integrated. Image Studio has all of this integrated. Video integration is also available and translation is also available. So this is a super powerful tool, everything in just one window. And there you have it, all AI related stuffs together in one single platform. So if you're wondering which AI tool has all of it together, then you have to give GenSpark AI a try and share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it from me for today, and I will see you in the next one.